Welcome to VueVille, DIY Smart Homes Made Easy. Today we have a hands-on review of the Aeotec LED Bulb 6, which uses a Z-Wave standard. Thanks to Aeotec for providing us this review sample. Now this is the first time that I'm making a video with my own voice in it. I'm still too shy to be on camera, but I'm working up my courage slowly. Okay, can you turn it on, please?
Okay. There's a no button. Okay. Yay. I turned it on.
Very good.
Now there's one where the green spot is.
Can you press the other on button?
Okay. Now I can play with the colors.
Which color are you going to put next?
Green. Oh. Yeah. Oh, green.
Can you make it red?
Look, I made it red. Look, I made it red. Now pink. Pink. Look, pink. Look, pink.
Very good.
Now,
Can you make it... Which color are you going for?
blue.
Okay.
I went to blue. So now you can... which style will it become blue?
I think you need to move it a bit more. That's it.
Blue.
Very good. What color is this?
Purple.
Uh-huh.
Oh, not purple, but pink.
Okay. Now can you switch off the light?
Okay, this no button.
No, the off button next to it.
The old button.
Yes. Thank you. I really like this Z-Wave Aeotec LED Bulb 6. If you want a smart bulb but don't want to change your existing light switches, this is a great option. As we saw earlier, it is quick to respond and in my experience never missed a single command. It's got fantastic wireless range. This bulb can do true warm white or cool white shades thanks to the RGBW LEDs. It works a treat with Home Seer and is compatible with all major home automation software. Now the only thing I didn't like is that it always ramps up or down. There's no instant on off feature, nor can it change colors quickly. It always has to fade out and transition to the next color. All in all, a great smart LED bulb that I think I'll be getting more of.